Finally, we are going to look at the future tense. In the future tense, we are going to recall to our mind what we have learned, changing from active to passive voice. So G, that's the last exercise. G, future tense. And in this future tense, we are learning to change from active to passive, recalling to our mind what we have learned. Okay, the first sentence I have here is, my teacher will forgive me. That's the first sentence. My teacher will forgive me. Will forgive me. That is, my teacher will forgive me. That is the active voice. Okay? Active voice. Now we're going to change this active voice into passive voice in the future tense. Okay, so how will that be? I will be forgiven by the teacher. I will be forgiven. I will be forgiven by my teacher. By my teacher. We have changed the active voice into the passive voice in the future tense. So that is the passive voice. Okay, now let's take another sentence. The sentence I have here is, Mona will sing a song. Mona will sing a song. Mona will sing a song, and that is in the active voice. Active. And we have to change it in the passive voice, keeping in mind future tense. So what will that be? You will say, a song will be sung by Mona. A song will be sung. A song will be sung by Mona. That is in the future tense, passive voice. Okay? Passive voice. Okay, shall we do another sentence? And the sentence I have here is, I have another sentence for you. The girl will have received the gift. The girl will have received. The girl will have received the gift. The girl will have received the gift, and that is in the active voice. Active voice. Okay, now we have to change this into passive voice and in the future tense. So what will we say? The gift will have been received by the girl. The gift. The gift the gift will have been. The gift will have been. The gift will have been received. Received by the girl. By the girl, and that becomes the future tense passive voice. Okay. And I have one more sentence for you to look at. Okay? One more sentence. Children will like the toys. Children. Children will like the toys. Children will like the toys. That's in the active voice. Active voice. Now we're going to change this active voice into future tense. So what will that be? The toys will be liked by the children. The toys will be liked by the children. The toys will be liked. The toys will be liked by the children. By the children. And that is in the future tense, and it is passive voice. So we learn to change active to passive. Okay, maybe I'll give you one more sentence. There's little place. I shall help him. I shall help him. I shall help him. That is active. And if you change into passive, what will that be? It will be, he will be helped by me. He will be helped by me. So this is active voice. Active voice. Now, we are going to change it into future tense. Okay. So what will be the answer? He will be helped by me. He will be. He will be helped by me. By me, and that is in the passive voice. Passive voice. Now let's look at all the sentences here. What we have done. In the future tense, we are learning to change by recalling to our mind, changing from active to passive voice. The teacher will forgive me. That's in the active voice. And in the passive voice in the future tense, I will be forgiven by my teacher. Mona will sing a song. That's in the active voice. In the future tense, it will be changed into passive. So it will become, a song will be sung by Mona. Third, the girl will have received the gift. That's active. The gift will have been received by the girl. That's passive. Fourth one, children will like the toys. Active. The toys will be liked by the children. Passive. Finally, I shall help him. Active. He will be helped by me. Passive. So we have gone through all the tenses, changing from active to passive, recalling to our mind whatever we learned.